Hey guys, technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're missing your custom text tone on iOS 17. So it's been a while since the release of iOS 17 that if you want to create a custom or set a custom tone for a contact, right? If you went there and you edited their profile, usually you would have the ability to add a custom text tone for notification. But with iOS 17, it kind of went away, and there's been a big discussion across different forums about this missing feature, and Apple finally has addressed it, and there's a fix for it. So the fix is going to be really simple. It's going to be updating to the iOS 17.1, which was released about a few days ago. So if you go into your settings and go to General Software Update, you'll see iOS 17 specifically here. It mentions that there has been some improvements to standby and other features, but bug fixes, which the text tone missing, I think, is a bug fix that they're fixed with this, and a couple other security updates as well, and AirDrop features that were fixed as well. So if you haven't updated to iOS 17.1, which is the most stable version on iOS 17, go ahead and update it here. Again, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and your phone is at least 50% or more charged. Give yourself half an hour to 45 minutes to do that update. And once you update it, you should see your custom text tone come up. Now, if you don't see it, what you want to do also a force restart on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17.1. In order to do a force restart, you're going to click the volume up, volume down, one after another. So volume up, volume down. Finally, hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'm going to keep on holding this button so the phone can completely shut down, and then you will see the Apple logo reappear. So it takes about probably 10 seconds or so for it to shut down completely, and then I let go of that button. And after you update to iOS 17.1, it's going to shut down the phone and then reload the code again, fixing that bug fix that custom tones were missing on a lot of devices. So if you are missing your custom tone after doing this update and a forced restart, now you should be able to go ahead into your contact and go ahead and update your custom tone for your contacts or to your notification as well. So go ahead and give that a try. Let me know if it worked for you. If so, leave a comment in the comments section. Also, if you found another way to fix this problem as well, if you have been experiencing the missing custom text tone on iOS 17. So again, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys and next time.